So welcome to Walking the Earth, Malaysia. Today we are in Georgetown, Penang. You can see a little bit of the Burmese temple grounds, and over here we've got the Thai temple grounds, the oldest Wats in Penang. And you can see the mirrors as they shimmer a little bit in the light. But this right here is associated with the guru. I don't know if guru is the right word, forgive me, but she's a spiritual teacher in southern India, Amma, and I believe is what she's called, if I'm remembering correctly. But here they're listing the UN Sustainable Development Goals, and then a little bit further up. So see, we've got Amma's kitchen, and then we've got again the UN Sustainable Development Goals. So there's a very big push around the world now for this. This is working toward 2030. So in the comments, tell me what your thoughts are about these goals, which on the surface have they sound nice: no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water, sanitation. So anyway, let us know what your thoughts on this might be. Peace.